Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now, have you been wondering how can you find Discord server to join? Has this question been disturbing you? You want to actually find the Discord server to join but you don't know how. Well, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, you can simply use what they call a Discord server discovery feature. Now, how do you do this? Let's go. Let me go guide you through. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Discord app or use the web client, and then you have to click on, there's this compass of a magnifying glass icon. It's called the Explore Public Servers icon. So click on it, and then once you click on it, it will open up categories. You're going to see gaming, art, music, education, and the rest of them. So you browse through the category and search for the specific keywords related to your interest using the search bar. Next, you have to use filters to narrow down your search by server size, member count, other criteria. Then when you're through with all this, click on a server to see its description, member count, online members before you join. Click on them one by one till you find the exact one you're looking for. That's how to find Discord server to join using the Discord server discovery feature. Now, if you don't want to use that, you want to use a third-party website, then what do? Let me give you some third-party websites you can use. We have about two I'm going to talk on today. The first one is the dishboard.org. It's a third-party website you can use. It's a very popular website that lists thousands of Discord servers with detailed information, including their categories, their tags, and their member counts, which is very important. Then the next one you can also use, if you don't want to use the dishboard.org, you can use the discord.me. Now, this is another website that allows you to search for public Discord servers and even discover new ones based on your interests. So if you don't want to use the third-party website or use the Discord server discovery feature to find Discord servers to join, you can also use what they call the social media and online communities. Now, we all know social media and online communities. So I'm talking about Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, and the rest of them. So you can look for Discord servers links on these social media platforms. Many community and online groups love to share their Discord server links, so you can simply get it from there. Then you can also check online forums and communities related to your interests. You might find links to relevant Discord servers in these discussions. Now, let me give you some tips for you to find a good server, for you to find good Discord servers. Now, please pay attention to the server rules, member count, activity level. Always read the server descriptions carefully. Second thing you need to do is check server reviews if they are available. Some websites allow users to leave reviews for servers, so once you see a review, please check it out. Next, start small. Join a few smaller servers to get a feel for what the community is like before joining the larger ones. Then be mindful, always be mindful and respectful of the rules and guidelines of the servers you join. So by using these methods, these three major methods I just mentioned above, you can effectively find and join public Discord servers that align with your interests and enjoy connecting with other members of the community. Hope I've answered your question on how to find Discord servers to join. Hope you found the video extremely helpful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell so you can have more helpful information like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next